Awu my brother. Umnandi?
Nah, was it?
Mnandi bethu. Njengoba la ubatshela abantu bethu ukuthi what's happening?
Ngize ku-listening session kaLwa. I'm a big fan of Lwa, and I've always been supportive of Lwa Ndlunkulu, so I wasn't going to miss anything that she will do, especially if it's around Joburg.
So eziphi mhlawumbe ingoma zalo oyithandayo ofisa ngathi le album yakhe ingasanda njengazo mhlawumbe?
Mina ngithola nenkalakatha. That one is my favorite. She's rhyming like nobody's business there. Her lyric content and style of writing is just too crazy for a female to write like that in Zulu and still be as deep as she can be. So I think she's for me one of the most talented female artists we have in South Africa.
Ngisazobuya kuwena masula ile album ungitshela ukuthi yiphi ingoma oyithandayo from the album.
Ayikho inkinga abantu.
Manje uphuza la namhlanje ngiyakubona uphethe ama
Ngiphuza ichila sponge utshwala bomkhokhelayo.
Usitshela bamlungu.
Utshwala bomlungu wami lo.
Asabonga.
This is my boss's alcohol and I always drink it. I'm having non-alcoholic though, but it's still the same thing. It's really dope. Yeah. So shout out to Chilla Sponge and Yano Lyrics.
Asabonga cool put. Thank you.